I wanna tell you something. 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 Don't ask me, I got nothing. Hey, and more already. Tell me everything you say behind my back. Why are you mad? When my good days make you so concerned? Can't you be happy for me? Are you just jealous of me? Don't see the issue when you see me. Don't tell me as a friend. I'll knock it down before I'll knock. I'll talk it up before I'll talk. I'll start it like I'll never stop. But someday soon the ball will drop. Well, I'm happy. Cause I've thought to say I'll never stop feeling this way. I wanna tell you something. But I think I'm speaking out. Oh, I'm filled up with reckless abandon that we can never doubt. I wanna tell you something. But I think I'm speaking out. Once again full of reckless abandon that I can't live without. I wanna tell you something.
No way,
But I think I'm
actually.
speaking out. Oh, I'm filled up with reckless abandon that we can never doubt.
Oh my god.
I wanna tell you something, but I think I'm breaking out. Once again full of reckless abandon, I don't know if I can live without. I wanna tell you something, but I think I'm breaking out.
I did.
Once again full of reckless abandon, and I just can't live without.
I did.
Life's so easy, only certain from
I know I hide like a little bitch.
forever now.
Okay, yeah. Fuck that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Oh wait, my goat. Wait. Wait. He's helping me. I didn't know this. Oh wait,
Something that
he's hurting
no
me.
regret,
Is he
and
hurting me?
I don't regret it at all. Now seeing something that should make me upset, and it isn't even that hard. I ran 10 times around my neighborhood.
Okay, I'm so
I'm running
dead.
circles in the lot behind my middle school. It's not so hard to
my
have
God.
ideas this way. I can't believe it's only just
Hurry
a
up,
month I
come
felt
on.
this good. I wanna tell you something. But I think I'm thinking out. I'm filled up with reckless abandon that we can never doubt.
Okay, yeah, we won. It's so winnable. Okay, yeah, we win. I'm not gonna touch him yet though. It's fucking scary. Now it's like
I started 10 experimental projects and I'm gonna be perfecting them all.
okay, yeah.
I built my schedule and I
can
put my
touch him
genets. It really wasn't even that hard.
Jesus.
I ring your doorbell nearly all the time. You listen slower as the weeks go by. So glad you call me nearly every day. Don't know why you ask me if I'm doing alright. I wanna tell you something, but I think I'm thinking out. I'm filled up with reckless abandon that we can never doubt. I wanna tell you something, but I think I'm thinking out. Once again full of reckless abandon that I can't live without.
Yeah, let's just say I think I won.